you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring a new subscription box to my channel, and that is the Chicken Love Box. Do you want to know what's going to be in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So June's Chicken Love Mega Box just arrived. With this one, I did purchase a 3-month subscription. I definitely wanted to try this out because if you are following me, you know I have chickens now. They are smaller, which I'm going to be showing you the process as they grow up and that kind of thing. So I'm super excited. So a little backstory. If you do want to skip ahead, I will timestamp down below, but I do want to give you a little bit of backstory on how I came across this Chicken Love Box. Did you guys even know there was a subscription box for chicken moms? Like, I definitely did not. So I want you to know how I found this. So basically, short story long. So there is another influencer here on YouTube, and that is Rena. She's with Boxes and Deals. I believe she has been following me, and she created her own channel a couple years ago, and I've been supporting her and following her. She's amazing. She was actually the one that recommended me to the Go Jewelry, which I am loving these crystal bracelets. And so, see, long story short, short story long. I had posted a picture of the chickens on my Instagram, and she had wrote back that she had just got some a few weeks ago or maybe a month prior. Hers are a little bit older than mine, but she has hers longer, so hers are a little bit older. But it was really neat because I found out now she's doing the chicken thing. This is her first time. This is my first time. I'm like, cool, I'll have somebody to talk to about this, share our experiences with. This will be so cool. So then in doing so, sharing pictures of our clan, and she does have some roosters. I hope I don't, but we're gonna find out once they get older. But anyways, she did tell me about this Chicken Love Box, and she's like, have you seen it? It looks really neat. When I clicked on their Instagram, I saw like all these pictures of chickens and stuff, and it didn't click right away that it was a subscription box. But then Rena did make a comment about them on my photo, and then this company got involved with that, and it was like back and forth. Even the company was like, come on, the water is warm. And I'm like, oh my gosh, you're twisting my arm. So again, short story long, between Rena and the company, they definitely twisted my arm in getting this. So what I did is I purchased my own 3-month subscription of the Mega Box. This one, they have a mini box as well. So I thought it'd be really neat to purchase the mini box for Rena. So for this month, we are both going to be doing this month's box. I'm going to link her video and her channel down below. So after you watch mine, you can go hop on over to hers and you can see what just the mini box is. So you can kind of tell the difference between the sizes, and you can figure out which one would be easier if you are interested in knowing the difference between the two different sizes. So I thought that'd be really neat for us to show you guys both sizes. She's new to chickens, I'm new to chickens. I was like, wait a minute, there's a subscription box for chicken moms? Wait, what? And then when I did go and look at this one, I found 2 others. One of them looks really good along with this one. So I might give that one a try too. Plus the more, the better. And then I'm learning as I go. I'm getting things that I didn't know that I needed for the chicken coop. There's so many different things that you can find in this type of boxes for the chicken mom and for the chicken and the chicken coop area. So I think that's so neat that, again, I think this is going to help me because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know anything about chickens. I'm just trying to learn as I go. So I've noticed that some of the boxes would have like first aid type kits, also like treats and stuff for the chicken. And then there might be like some home decor, some cool little things for, you know, for the chicken mama too. This one, however, does have a t-shirt inside. So they have both size options will come with the t-shirt, or if you don't want all the extra goodies and you only want the t-shirt, they have a t-shirt only as well. So that's why I definitely wanted to start with this one, because I thought that would be so cool to get some t-shirts that are like chicken themed. I just think that would be so cool. So again, I definitely wanted to give you the backstory on how I found this. Thank you so much, Rena, for letting me know. And now I'm so glad that I have another YouTuber. We're about almost the same age. We're just now getting into chickens, and I think that's gonna be so cool. We can definitely live through our own experiences together. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a little bit about the company. That's what I do when I first bring a box to my channel, is I like to give you all the information first, and then we will unbox it. Oh, so after I did sign up and I wrote them and I was like, okay, this is what I'm doing. I'm doing the 3 month for myself. I'm going to do a 1 month for Rena for the mini so we can do them together on our channels. And then I asked if there was a code that we can give you guys. So she was kind enough to actually generate our own codes, one for my channel and one for hers. So if you would like to use my code is SheCrafty, and that'll get you $5 off your very first box if you are interested in this one. So it's a monthly subscription box for the not so crazy chicken lady. What's inside the box? Our boxes come filled with treats and supplies for your chickens, gifts and goodies for the crazy chicken lady, and fun chicken lover lifestyle t-shirt. Now, for the t-shirts, you could select the size. It goes small to 3XL, and it says that they are unisex tees. There's free United States shipping, so any of the packages will be free US shipping. They also do have an online shop if you wanted to shop their shop and not go straight to a subscription, and they have their shirts, like their monthly shirts are on there as well. So if you missed a shirt or an item from a past box, you can always grab it in their online shop. There's a teal one. It says like Chicken Mama. I'm definitely eyeing that one, so I might be grabbing that. So for the packages, there are 3 different levels. Again, there's the mega box. That one is $66 per month if you do month per month. If you want to do a 3-month subscription like I did, it'll bring it down to $65 per box. And if you do a 6 or a 12-month, it'll bring it down to $64 per box. It'll include all products in the month for you and your flock. 7 to 9 items, plus the t-shirt of the month. The mega box is the favorite of our subscribers and the best value yet. Then you have the mini box. So if you don't want to go straight to the mega box, but you want a little mini version, you want to dabble your toes in the water and see how it is, that one is $39. If you do 3 months, it's $38, and 6 and 12 months is $37. Again, free US shipping. This one, it says, includes 1 featured item of the month for your flock and for you, plus the t-shirt of the month. So you'll always get the t-shirt in either one, but in the mini, you have 1 main item for your flock and 1 main item for yourself, and then the t-shirt. So again, if you want to see what the mini box will be when you're done with this, go pop on over to Rena's video and see what she got in hers. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see her video. Then if you want just the t-shirt, so if you want to just have the shirts every month, but you don't want the extra stuff, that one is the Happy Hen T-shirt Club. $24 for month to month, $23.33 for 3 months, $23 for 6 months, and $22.50 for 12 months. Are you looking to nab that super cool, super comfy tee? Choose this option. And again, it's small to 3XL. And don't forget, SheCrafty will get you $5 off your very first box if you are interested in signing up. I love the logo, chickenlove.com. All right, so let's go ahead and cut the tape. Let's get inside. Is there more tape? No. Okay. All right, so right on top, it says June 2022 Chicken Love Mega Box. So it says t-shirt of the month. It says hen selfie. And then I guess it has, okay, so here's all of the what's inside for your flock, what's inside for you. That is really neat that they narrow it down, because if there is like a treat for us and you don't want to get it confused with a treat for them, at least it does tell you which is which. I do like that. And it's right there, right on the top of your box. No questions asked. So there is some tissue paper right here. You open it up, and then here is, oh, here's their card. It says, Tracy, thank you so much for your order. We hope you love your mega box, and congratulations on being a new chicken mom. It can be a lot of fun. Yes, so far it is. And I'm so excited to just keep going with this journey and see how it goes. I'm so excited. So there is a sneak peek to the t-shirt. It is a really pretty lavender color. Let's go with that first, because you will get the t-shirt in any of their subscriptions. T-shirt only, the mega or the mini. You will always get this t-shirt. Again, it is a really pretty lavender color. And then, oh my gosh, look at how cute is that? Oh my goodness. And it says Chicken Love. That is adorable. Oh my goodness. And yeah, that is super pretty. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have a shirt that has a chicken on it. Okay, so what else is in the box? You do have these little egg cartons. I think this is super, super cute because I will be having eggs eventually. I hear about 5 to 6 months old they'll start laying, so I'm so excited for one to finally pop out at whatever time that will be. But this would be cute, so you can store them in, or if you wanted to give them to like a neighbor or a friend, a family member, you can give them a little 4-pack. That is super cute. Okay, so for these, it says egg cartons. These cute little 4-count egg cartons are the perfect way to share farm fresh eggs with friends and family. We included some egg carton stickers too, where you can record collection dates. Okay, so let's look for those stickers. On the bottom. How cute! It says farm fresh eggs gathered on, and you can write the date. Laid with love. Oh my gosh. Laid with love. How freaking cute. Coop to table. How cute are those? So you have 2 pages, so you have 12 different stickers, and then you can just put it right on this flat part on the top. You can mark the date. Oh my gosh, such a cute idea, and I'm so glad that they actually thought of the stickers to go on it with it. I was just excited with just these. I'm even more excited that there's cute stickers to go with it. How cute. Okay, so let's keep on going. This says chicken charms, poultry leg bands. Okay. So I've in doing my research, I've seen a lot that have like a whole lot of flock, so they can identify them. They'll put little bands around their little legs. I used to work at a bird farm when I was younger, and we used to have to put the little tiny bands, like the metal ones, on their feet. This is so much easier than trying to get the ring around their foot. You put it around, and it looks like it's like a zip tie. So you put it on whatever length, however wide your chicken's foot is, and then you just put it on there. But they're all different colors, and they have these cute little charms. That is so, so cute. All of my chickens, well, 2 of them now look exactly the same, but my intentions are only to keep 1 of them. So I'm hoping to have 3 total at the end, but I don't know if I'm just going to end up keeping all 4. If I do, those 2 look exactly the same, so if I wanted to tell them apart, this would totally work. The others look totally different, so I would know them. I think that's just really neat to have, though. So if you want to put a little bling bling charm on your chicken's leg to help identify them, or just to give them a little flair. So the chicken charms, it says these are adorable and functional. Can be used as ID bands, but we prefer to call them jewelry for chickens. This custom pack was packaged especially for Chicken Love subscribers. That is so cool. Yeah, so you can just bling bling, give them a little, you know, give them a little flair. That is super cute. Okay, so now I have all of these little, there's 4 different packets. It's by Strong Animals with essential oils. Okay, so these are all water additives. This one here is electrolytes with vitamins, helps in times of change. So there's 2 of those. It says hydrate and restore from hatch to hen. So that's what those look like. And it just says directions, mix contents of a single packet into 1 gallon of drinking water, stir until dissolved. For use with chicks and adult birds. So you have that. And then this is prebiotic plus probiotics. So you have 2 of each. This one says hydrate for health and vitality. Same thing, you just mix it in a gallon jug, and then you have that. That's definitely good, because I hear, like, especially when it gets really, really hot, it's good to give them electrolytes. And right now it's like over 100 degrees here in Florida, and I feel so bad for them. I keep putting like ice in their water. For this one, it says Strong Animals Chicken Essentials, prebiotics and probiotics in convenient pre-measured 1 gallon size. That is definitely a good thing to have. I'm so excited. Okay, so now we're going to have, here's 2 different little things for the kitchen. These are by Core Kitchen. You could have received a mini whisk, a spatula, a basting brush, or another kitchen tool. And dust off that recipe book and start using those eggs. Farm fresh eggs are the absolute best for homemade cakes, casseroles, you name it. enjoy. I actually purchased I think a few of them that look just like this. They were gray from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I really love having silicone, especially in the kitchen. I'm not scratching my pans, and that's a super cute idea though, to give these to us in this box, because they're right, when you're making your eggs, now you have something to use with it. That is super cute, and I love that this one is teal. That would be cool if they matched, but you do have 2 different kitchen utensils, and it could have been one of several different ones sent at random. So we have a little whiskey whisk, and then this one is a mini bamboo and silicone half spreader. So there's those 2 right there for kitchen essentials to cook up your fresh eggs. That is so cute. And then we have one more item in here, and this I'm actually so excited about because my chicken coop is green. So anything that I'm getting like with the chickens, or like even the containers to put stuff in, it has a green lid. So this being like the green, like the embroidered in green, I'm so excited. This is an apron, and I'm just so excited. Let me show you. That is what it looks like, and it says Chicken Love. That is super cute. So this says custom embroidered apron. Cook with some chicken lady style. This gorgeous rooster in lime green has been designed and made with love for Chicken Love subscribers. How cute is that though? But again, I'm so excited that it's green because I just wanted everything to be like green. If I see green, I know, oh, that's for the chickens. And so when I saw this was green, I got so excited. Now this is a regular apron you can use to cook with, or I was thinking even to use like when you're going into your coop, so you don't get like your clothes dirty or anything. So you can pretty much use this if you want to use it to cook with or to clean with, whatever your little heart desires. But you do have a really nice apron, and it feels really good quality too. Is there pockets in the front? No, there's no pockets in the front or anything. It says 30 by 33 on the tag. And then you have the little to wrap around your waist. And yeah, I'm so excited. Again, you can use this, like I said, to clean, to do anything, just to wear around when you're holding your chickens, or when you're cooking in the kitchen or barbecuing outside. I just think that is so cute. So for this month, for June, we have the apron. We have the cooking utensils. You have the chicken leg charms. You'll have these to put in their water. You have little 4 quads of egg cartons with the stickers. So sometimes you will get treats and stuff like that. This one, I don't really have any treats, so there's really nothing I can go and really share with the chickens right now. But I am excited that when there is treats and stuff like that, I will give them to the chickens in the video so you can see them interacting, see how they like them, that kind of thing. So I'm so excited to be showing you more of the chickens and a chicken box. Again, there is one other one that I do want to check out. And yeah, I'm just super excited. I never knew there was a chicken box thing. So thank you so much, Rena, for letting me know. I hope you enjoy your box, and oh my gosh, it's just so cute. We're gonna have matching shirts now, at least. I know that. We will definitely have, oh, and the shirt. I forgot, it was under my apron on my lap. And you have this shirt. Holy moly, don't forget about the shirt. So that is everything for this particular video. If you want to hop on over to Rena's video and check out hers so you can see what comes in the mini box. So if you are interested, you can decide between the 2 different tiers to know where to put your money at wisely. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Comment down below and let me know, have you ever seen a chicken subscription box before? Because I hadn't until now, and I'm super excited that I have it to show you guys. And now my dog has a box, so now my chickens will have a box. It's a win-win. So there you go. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.